Hey guys, how's it going today? So I literally woke up to get a drink and I saw EOS like this, right? It's kind of funny. I'm about to make like, I don't know, like $300-400 profit or something like that. Okay. So I saw EOS like super duper low on the RSI right here. So of course I bought. I'm just waiting for a good time, right? There's someone kind of driving down the price right now. Hold on, let me just close one window here very quickly. There's someone just driving down the price right now. Because Bitcoin fell a little bit as well, right? There's some people that are stacking up some walls on Bitcoin right now. But yeah. But there's like they let it spike up temporarily at 7.1, which is kind of puzzling, right? Because it can't really break above that. And I actually bought into the strength, but I don't know if it's actually gonna break above it right now. It's kind of just hovering right here, just trying really hard to break above it, right? I actually I didn't enter it like right now. I entered like right around there a little bit earlier. So they're trying really hard to break it right now, right? But not really any luck right now breaking it. So I'm kind of wondering what the heck is going on right now. If I look on the 3 minute chart, um, not really seeing a lot of signs of it going up quite yet. But I'm expecting this to be the actual bottom. And I expect this right here to be part of the Fibonacci retracement. And I expect it to get to about 11.79. So let's see how this actually, or sorry, 11.91 is what I expected to get to. I mean, all we got to do is just break a small resistance, in my opinion, right? There we go. We finally broke it. Okay. So someone, when I was switching screens there, must have just bought a very large amount because we're now at 11.67 and I'm finally positive. Yeah, right now it's about 1 in the morning. I'm regulating my schedule back to normal, but I needed to get a drink and Luna needed to go outside, so I woke up. So here I am right now, just trading in the middle of the night. And I think my RSI alerts went off. Like I've got a lot of speakers throughout the condo, so I think that it was like going off pretty loud and woke me up as well because my computer's on all the time, right? Even though I've got like an M2 solid state drive, it's not enough for me, guys. Like I gotta make sure that I have it very loud. There we go. We're finally starting to go up a tiny bit. You guys got to keep in mind the 15-minute RSI as well, okay? Like this is not really a lot of volume to support this particular point, and Bitcoin's not really going up either. But we expect, or I expect, a small uptrend, right? So I might even just close my trade really quickly here. Do I want to close this trade and just go back to bed? Nah, I want to be patient. See, some guy just slammed an even bigger sell order there, right? But there's definitely a lot more people buying than selling right now. But Bitcoin just looks like it's in shambles right now, right? Just it looks like it's about to MACD crossover right here on the 1 minute chart or the 5 minute chart. But let's see how this actually ends up looking there. People are buying, that's for sure, right? People are buying in small amounts here, or these are just bots that are buying it up right now. I'm expecting it, I'm going to keep targeting the 55 EMA here. That's just how it's going to be, where the yellow line is right here. And right now it seems to be at 7.893 roughly, almost $18, right? Like almost 18 bucks there, but I'm not going to target 18. It's a little bit high for my liking. But the good news is I'm even right now. So if it stays even, yeah, I don't mind. It's a pretty decent trade. I mean, even if it got to $18, that's 35 times 15. So what is that? $525 profit if it actually gets there, which I don't know if it will, but it seems like bots are definitely buying or people are interested. Bitcoin is selling, EOS is buying, so it's gonna make you wonder what's going on. Okay, now it's down ticking a tiny bit, right? Yeah, it can't really break this, guys. Like, just cannot break it. I mean, I look at the 15-minute chart, RSI right now, and it's just incredibly low, right? And how's the 30-minute looking? Yeah, it's getting some pretty low numbers right now, guys. So, gotta stay positive. Gotta just kind of wait around here and just see how it goes, right? People are still buying right now. Now it's down ticking. I'll be back when there's more of an update actually. It's oh wow, it just slammed up to 11.7. A guy bought a really big order just now. He spiked the market actually to 11.7 if you saw that, right? That was kind of surprising. It's maybe some people close their short positions. Who knows, right? But it doesn't really want to get below 11.75 here. So it's a super small gain, but that's just kind of how I roll, right? Let's see how, there we go. People are still buying up here. I always like to read the level 2 order book. The level 2 order book just gives you a lot of information on what people want to do and where they generally want to go with the current momentum in the market, right? And the current momentum, it definitely dictates right now that there's more reason for it to go up than for it to go down. And there's quite a battle right now going on, right? It's just sidewaysing for the past, how long here? For the past 20, 14, 15 minutes actually. So let's see if this actually wants to go sideways right now. Do we get any support candles? Yeah, got a pretty decent candle there. Almost a bear bullish pin bar. So yeah, it's looking okay. I'm pretty happy with the way things are going. I'll give you guys an update when there's more news actually. All right, so I've just been kind of watching Netflix in between here, and I'm incredibly tired. It's been about 5 minutes since I stop the video here. It dropped down a little bit, but I'm not worried about these tiny little swings, guys. I'm just watching the 1 minute chart. Sure, it swing back down to 11.7, and I should have actually added more to my position. But we clearly see that it's going to be uptrending, right? To at least a decent Fibonacci number right here. We're definitely gaining a lot of traction right here. I'm going to expect at least 11 point or 17.9, okay? 17.9. I expected to break that right there. So I'm just going to hang tight to my target. If you guys would like to know my risk to reward, this is basically my risk to reward, right? It's 1 to 1. And that's what I'm going to be targeting right here, okay? Because I always stick to my risk to reward setups. And even though most of the time my personal risk to rewards are actually 1 to 1, you guys have to remember my success rate, right? My success rate is incredibly high when it comes to determining um, the probability of a successful trade. So if I was a bad trader, yeah, I'd want to focus on a lot less riskier trades. But because I'm a fairly decent trader, right? I don't mind taking these 1 to 1 risk to reward setups, right? I will honestly cut my losses. Like, actually, you know what? I probably end up going a little bit higher, target about 11 point or 18.12, and get pretty decent 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So I'm cool with this setup right here, guys, right? So we're just gonna see how this actually plays out with a 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio here. We're uptrending right now, as you guys can see, right? Clearly we're uptrending right now. We finally broke some barriers right here. But you know what? It's late at night, guys. I'm so tired already. Let's just go for a quick little simple trade. Like let's just go for uh well, yeah, now it's really uptrending actually if you guys take a look at it, right? It's like really uptrending right now. Let's look on the 3 minute chart, see how this is going. Oh yeah, it's gonna give a nice little crossover here very soon. We're already 11.3, but I don't really care. I just want to make a quick trade, and honestly just go back to bed. Am I cool with making $150 while waking up to let my dog out? Yeah, I'm cool with that. In the middle of the night for my live trade videos or any of my live trade videos, I'm gonna be in super cash gear, guys, as in very casual mode, okay? I'm not gonna really change who I am when I'm day trading, day trading or night trading or whatever. We see kind of a small hidden wall there. Finally, it broke it, right? Did pretty well. I'm at 8.5 right here. It's not really that far away. I'm already on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars already. I don't know if it's gonna make it to a ninth bar, so I'm just gonna take my profit and head back to bed, guys. There's 69, right? 769 right there. There we go. It should clear up. It's not really big orders right here, like, super small trades. Only got a tiny bit left. And there you go. $153 profit, $174 profit actually, while getting up to get a drink and to let my dog out, okay? So how quick was this trade? This trade was about 30 minutes. Quick 30-minute trade for $174. Yeah, guys, that's how you trade, honestly. Okay, could you guys just? Okay, I'm not being cocky. Yeah, I'm being cocky. Okay, I'm totally being cocky here, guys. But imagine this for a second. Okay, I, I don't know about normal people, but in Canada, like $174 an hour, or sorry, a day, that's, you average that out, right? You just kind of do the math. And keep in mind, I was an engineer, right? And let's just say an average engineer starting out, which is what I was making 50K a year, right? So usually in Canada, for every like $10 an hour, um, hold on, for every, let's do the math. 50,000 divided by 50 weeks, okay? Actually, hold on, let's figure out how many hours there are first. You'd be wor- you'd be working about 50 hours a week or a year, right? A year, sorry, 50 weeks a year. Multiply that by 40, that's about 2,000 hours, right? So, oh, I got the hiccup. So if you're working 2,000 hours a year, you're making about $25 an hour, okay? Multiply that by $8 a day. That's roughly 200, you can say, right? Imagine going to work as an engineer for 8 hours a day, working in a fucking office, okay? Working in an office and making $200 a day, you know? You're working for someone else. You got to get up at a regular time for 9 to 5 hours. You are not your own boss as well. You went to school for how many years to learn those skills? And here I am in the course of literally 30 minutes making what an engineer makes in 30 minutes. Okay. What an engineer makes in literally one whole day is what I just made in 30 minutes, which is kind of depressing to say at the same time, right? But hey, that's how we trade, guys. We look for these really good setups, right? We just hunt for them. And that's what I want to teach you guys. There's a lot of things that I'm honestly not sharing with you guys as well, right? Kind of like trade secrets, right? And even though I had those really good 24 lessons out there, there's so much more information that I've gotten here that I'm definitely gonna share with you guys soon. And just look forward to it, guys. Look forward to my new course. I'm starting to feel bad a little that I'm charging for it, but you know what? I've got to really respect myself, and I hope you guys can respect that as well. And this information, guys, it's honestly invaluable. You guys have seen the profits that I make, and yeah, like I just want to be able to share with you guys a lot more, of what I actually know. So stay tuned. I will keep you guys posted soon. I'm just gonna tweet this to my Twitter. Just gonna take a quick snapshot of it right here. And yeah, that's kind of what I do. I just share my profits with Twitter. And we'll go from there. So have yourselves a great day. Good night now. Bye.